All right, well, welcome to Workshop Studios. We're talking hoses today, regular old garden hoses. And you may have gotten a hose with one of these nice plastic ends on it that's supposed to fit over this so that it gives you some gripping power and you can really tighten it down. And that's a great idea, except that they keep sliding back and getting in the way. And I tried to put some foam and duct tape to hold them in place. Nope, not having it. The sun heats this up and makes a gooey mess, and so that's all wrong. So what I'm going to try to do is modify these today. So stay tuned and we'll show you what I'm about to do. First thing is to undo what I've done. So I'm going to take these off and I'll clean them up with some denatured or isopropyl alcohol. That should take the goo off of them at least, and then we'll try our little trick on this. Well, the alcohol didn't work. It just didn't touch it, so I'm going to use this stuff, see if that'll work. All right, important safety tip. Don't use duct tape outside. It just melts in the sun and makes a huge mess. It doesn't fix anything at all. It leaves a gooey, sticky mess behind. And I think I got it all off now, but yeah, that was a waste of time. Okay, so the general idea is this. Let me zoom in here. All right, so here's what's supposed to happen. Is that's supposed to stay on there. You know, you push it on, and voila, it stays on. But for some reason, and I think it's because the hose, get my hand out of the way here, the hose goes back and forth and works this thing down, and it comes off and slides down the hose, and it just is in the way. We like to run or wind our hoses up in a hose reel, and not doing that because this thing gets in the way of that. So what I was going to do was to take advantage of the fact that, you know, get closer here. There we go. Now you can see what I'm looking at. You can see this little ridge right in here, right? There's a little spot right there between where this knurled part is and this nut, where I might be able to get a kind of a metal screw driven down through the plastic. Let's see if I can get this on here and show you. So drill a hole down through right there and then catch that. And that keeps this from coming backwards. So let's give that a try. Oh, by the way, if that doesn't work, then we cut them off because there's no way to get these off except by cutting them off. And of course, you have to be super careful or you're going to cut the hose while you're at it. So I guess the other way is to run this end, because this is the one you use all the time, run this end all the way over to the other side and just leave it there because then it's sort of out of the way. But even then, it's a big pain. All right. All right, so first thing I did was pound this into there very aggressively, but I used something soft on here so I don't mar this. This is brass, so you don't want to be hammering on it too hard. So I used a block of wood. There you go, block of wood to hammer it in there. But it did go in a little way, so that's the first step. And I don't think that's enough to hold it in there forever. But then the second thing was drill a hole and put this screw in. So I'll show you what that looks like. I'll do another one on the other side here, right here. All right, there's those two. That wasn't too hard, but yeah, we'll do the next one here. All right, well, so this side, the one that goes to attachments that you hold on to, seemed to work out fine, so those little screws are holding it on nicely. This side I wasn't so lucky. I drilled the holes, put it in there, but the configuration of the whole hose end here wouldn't let me screw into it. So I did something different. I jammed a bunch of tubing in there, and you can see it through the plastic. So I jammed the tubing, and then I really pounded it down, and that's all the farther it would go. But that's all right. That's as far as it needs to go. So I hope that'll fix it. So we're going to call that a win, and hopefully it stays together. So thanks for watching. Good luck with your hose ends and your projects. So please like and subscribe, and catch you on the next video. Bye.